Hello everyone, my name is Rakshana Bisane from Group 9. My major is Biomedical Engineering. Our project is automation of sprinkler system and irrigation system. Our faculty advisor is Dr. Mohammed bin Jabir. My group member are Salman, Allah, Dilip and Sibir. For farmers and homeowners who has problem with time and water wastage due to manual sprinkler system and irrigation system, the envision automatic sprinkler system and irrigation system will be automatic product that will save water, energy, money and time, unlike the contemporary system available in the market. Our unique product will measure soil moisture, volumetric water content, and electrical conductivity and determine the amount of water needed for appropriate time. No more sprinkling or irrigation when it is raining because you are away to turn off the system and our design will do it for you. Our system is made from Decagon 5T sensor, Arduino microprocessor, and robot kick water pump. The 5T sensor uses an oscillator running at 70 MHz to measure the dielectric permittivity of soil to determine the water content. A thermistor in the thermal contact with the sensor prong provide the soil temperature, while the screw on the surface of the sensor form a two-sensor electrical array to measure the electrical conductivity. Our microprocessor Arduino is an open-source prototyping platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Robot Geek Pumping Station is perfect all-in-one kit for Arduino project. We spent $550 for the component. With the mass production, the cost may go down to $100. 5T sensor is inserted into soil and connected to Arduino at other end. Arduino is also connected to pumping station. Arduino is programmed to gather the data from the soil to analyze the parameters and send the decision to water pump. Pump will stop when soil is saturated. Most of the soil are saturated in 24 to 26 degrees Celsius and above 25% volumetric water content. Automatic sprinkler system and irrigation system will resolve whether the soil is dry or not according to the programmed threshold of the parameters. We did initial testing using LEDs and water, which shows us the anticipated result. We did testing in soil with seed by leaving our system in a lab for a week. After a week, seed was growing. It pumped water when needed and stopped after hitting saturation. The important aspect was the soil moisture sensor. We needed the soil moisture sensor which can be used with external data logger. Choosing microcontroller was the very important part of the building system. First, we tried it with MyRio, and after working on it for some time, we came to know that it was more expensive since it need water log converter to convert its data from the sensor. Then we use Arduino microcontroller, which was affordable and it was easy to use too. Our sensor and sprinkler system and irrigation system parts are compatible with Arduino. We can add many features for this system if we were given extra time and given sufficient funding. We can make sprinkler system that can be accessed by computer, laptop or smartphone. We could also have a built-in Wi-Fi in the system through which it can be easier to connect it to our tablets, computer or even by using some kind of apps. We could also attach a weather forecast system to this device which tell the device when to turn on or turn off according to the weather. And the most important thing is we could also recycle wastewater. It goes through this system again. Automatic sprinkler system and irrigation system is easy to install and program. It can be very cost effective alternative to manual irrigation and sprinkler system. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dilip, and our senior design project is automation of sprinkle system and irrigation system. And here is our lab work or project work. We've been working on it. I'm gonna show you guys some process and give you just a brief introduction about it. Okay, this is the Arduino system here. This is the microprocessor we've been using on this one. Here's our laptop. We've been conducting with this Arduino system into the electrical circuit. Here's you can see two LED lights. This is for the electrical conductivity, one of our feature to work with the pump. And another one is this small LED light. It is off right now because the motor has been turned off. This is our water pump, which is called robot gig water pump. And this is the inner part of the our robot gig motor. And this is the sensor we're gonna be using on our project. This is called Degagon 5TE sensor. It has three features: one for temperature, second one for swell moisture, third one for EC, electrical conductivity. And this is the water vessel. We're keeping this as a water reservoir. The pump, or our water pump, will give you guys water from here, and it's gonna go to our soil yard. And this is a pipe we're using. Water comes from here, and the second pipe is gonna go to the water whenever there is necessity of the water. This is the wet soil. We've been working on this one. We've been doing many times. That's why it's kind of wet. And this is our dry soil. And one of my colleague will be showing you guys the whole process and a demonstration of our project. And thank you.
Hello, my name is Salman. I will be presenting the process of our system. Our system starts from the sensor, which it take the measurement. Our sensor is look like this one. To get the best measurement, you need to install it until here. The sensor will take the measurement and will send it to the Arduino. The Arduino will start to do the calculation, and based on its program, it will decide when to turn on and when to turn off. And that based on the temperature and the soil moisture. If there is a need of water, it will send order to the mini pump to turn on. The mini pump will start to flow water to the soil. For example, we have this plate, and it's already wet, so there is no need of water or temperature, and it's turned off. My colleague Ala will start with the second experiment, which is on the dry soil and the hot soil.
Hi, my name is Alan Muhammad Saleh. Today I will do the experiment for the automated sprinkler system and irrigation system. As my friend said, I will do the dry soil experiment. Now I will take the sensor from the wet soil from here. As you see, the pump start working because there is no wet thing, there is no water that's covered the sensor to get the good reading. Now we will put it under here, and we will cover it by the soil. We'll cover it by the soil, and as you see, the dry soil, there is no enough water on it that's need to be watered. So we have to take the pump, as you see now. The pump is watering, and start. See, to make it work. The pump will stop until the volumetric water gets a certain point. The system will send an order to the pump to stop. As you see, the pump stopped because there's enough water in the soil moisture. Now as you see, there is enough water in the soil moisture. The pump stop. After we will do another experiment that when the pump starting watering, the rain start. How the pump will act. This is our second experiment that we'll do with simulation of rain. The soil needs the water and the pump is working. As you see, I will start putting the water and my friend will start like...
I'm gonna do the simulation as the rain over here. As you see here, the system give order to stop the pump, and there is enough water inside the soil.
And the pump there doesn't deliver any of the water, as you see.
Thank you so much for watching this.
Thank you.